Whew. Whew. What's up, everybody? It's your boy King of Batunda. Back again with another episode. Today I'm over at his friend's house. Over here just getting in the pool. You know what I'm saying? Chilling out. He's actually right next to my place. That's the lake right over there. Just hanging out by the pool today. I'm gonna go in for a dip. Oh man, I haven't been swimming so long. I just jumped in for a bit. I ain't been swimming so long. I'm fucking tired. Yo, fam, look at this boat. These kids made this boat out of plastic containers and shit. Look at this boat. This boat's actually really sick, you know? Plastic oars. That's a really nice boat. Your boy's enjoying lockdown. I said I'm not about to sit in the house and be miserable for the whole lockdown. I gotta get out and enjoy. Oh, shit. It's been so long since I've been swimming. It's crazy. I used to love swimming because it's really good physical exercise, you know, good for muscle endurance, shit like that. I enjoy it. Even though it's been like getting there 10 years, I still swim. Like how I used to. I learned how to swim when I was in the Army. Well, I learned how to swim better when I was in the Army. We did this shit called drown proofing. And drown proofing is training, preventative training. Teach you how to not drown while you're in military uniform. Shit like that. I'm not really out of breath. It's kind of weird breathing underwater. It's been a while. So I feel like that pressure, you know. But anyway, you guys, if you get a chance, try to enjoy your lockdown, because if you sit in the house and be miserable, it's not gonna be good, you know. Try to enjoy a bit. This is how you're supposed to enjoy Africa. For real. This is how you beat Corona. Also, exercise, being outside, you know what I'm saying? Breathing in that warm African air. Bro, it's amazing. Yo, another thing. Since there's not a lot of cars moving around, there's not a lot of pollution, like air pollution. So the skies have been like really clear. What y'all seen is actually the natural sky, no filter or anything like that. The air has been cleaner. It's been so much nicer since there has been this little lockdown, because there's less vehicles on the road and shit. It's pretty cool, yo. Yeah, I'm having a blast, as y'all can see. Ooh, man. I'm glad this is a private pool, not a public one. The public pool is not too far from here, but it's closed. There's nowhere you can run, nowhere you can hide. Okay, fam, I'm finished with the pool. I'm about to wrap it up, dry off, and go right up in the house. This is an amazing day, you guys. I had fun. It's time to go home. If you enjoyed this episode, give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe now. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think of this episode. Say hello to my little friend.
Hiya!
Alright, fam, I'm out.